So, the swimming pool survived the winter. The kids have asked about 27 bajillion times if it's ready to swim in yet, so I decided I should probably fix it. You missed the real fun part. I had to drain it, pressure wash it, because the cover wouldn't stay on it at all. All winter, at all. Tried, I don't know, I can't even tell you how many times. So that's all clean, it's filled up to the skimmer basket. It's a Summer Waves pool, the FXX, I don't know, some sort of weird series that they call it. Has the pump built right into the skimmer basket, cartridge pump. Works all right, I guess. Not really my cup of tea. I prefer a hardier version, good old sand filter. So I got this Flow Clear pump here. Comes with 27,000 different attachments to convert it to whatever. I discovered something interesting though. Comes with the screw-on connectors. It's not screw-on connectors on the pool. Doesn't come with the right adapters. It does if you have the 1.25" fittings, but this is the 1.5" fittings because, you know, my luck. I discovered though, this slides right on there. Has a little O-ring in there. So I'm going to put it on there and do the right thing and just put a clamp on it and it'll be just fine. I guess we need to fill it with sand first though. Oh, when did 40 pounds get so heavy? So, there's a little mark in here, minimum, maximum. One really important thing to remember, the little cover that comes with it, you don't put that on there so you don't get a bunch of sand down inside of it. Do with a touch more. Looks like it takes about a full 40-pound bag. Save that for the next time you change it. This here is the filter head. Comes with this handy dandy clamp to clamp it on there. Pressure gauge, multi-function valve. It's a little fancy. Instructions. And about 10 million things you don't need. I'll get this clamp off of here. Set the pump top on there. Clamp her back down. Few different ports on this particular pump. D is your wastewater when you backwash. C is the inlet from the actual pump. And A is your return back to the pool. So when you sit it on here, it's important that it be in the right orientation. Now it can turn any which way you want it, but you kind of want it to be pretty close because your pump hose is pretty short. I recommend getting each side started first before you tighten anything up. All right, looks good. Next, we're going to get seals out of here. for our intermediate hose here. These are beveled, and we go in one way. You do want to make sure you get it lined up, flat and flush, not at any weird angles or anything where water's going to spray out when you turn it on, unless you want a bath. You also want to do the right thing. Get the biggest screwdriver you can find, so when you slip off the clamps, put a hole right through the pool. Well, how about that? There's a frog living in the skimmer. How you doing there, buddy? Whoop. There he is. The other part that you need to do for this whole gig here, there's a bottom plate you can buy on Amazon. Seals that up. It's open. That way, this whole gig works. It's not here yet. So we can't fill the pool yet. But hopefully, this will appease the children for at least a couple days. A gasket. They make what they call plunge valves that go on the pool to make it so you can shut the water off to the pump separately. I might get some at some point, but for now, I just need to get some water flowing. By golly, it's starting to look like a pump. These are really easy to cross thread. You gotta look them square in the eye or they're gonna go on there all cockeyed. There she is. Never a doubt. We don't need that. Perfect. Got a clamp on there and she'll be right as rain. Well, stick around for part 2. The bottom and initial operation, backwash, get all the nasty out.